In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details to Invoice in Xero. By the end, your invoices will clearly show customers how to pay you, which helps speed up payments and reduce back and forth. Start from your Xero dashboard and head straight to the sales area. This is where all your receivables live, including quotes, invoices, and statements. From there, go into Invoices. You'll see your list of draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. Open any invoice from this list. It doesn't have to be a specific one. We're just using it as an entry point to adjust the template that controls what your invoices look like. Inside the invoice, look for the 3 dots menu. This More menu contains actions related to settings and configuration. Choose Invoice Settings. This takes you to the place where Xero manages your invoice templates, often called branding themes. Templates determine layout, logos, fonts, and importantly for today, the payment instructions that appear on every invoice using that template. On the Templates page, find the Options menu for the template you use most often and click Options. Then select Edit. You're now in the editor for that template. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct one. If your business uses multiple templates, the changes you make will only apply to the one you're editing. In the editor, to locate the section labeled Terms and Payment Advice. This is the text area that appears on your invoices, typically near the bottom. Type the bank account information you want customers to use. Keep it clear and concise. Include the account name and number, and depending on your region, the sort code or routing number. If you invoice internationally, add the IBAN and SWIFT BIC. It also helps to include a short note like, please quote the invoice number as the payment reference, so you can match payments quickly. Use line breaks to make it easy to read, and avoid putting confidential information that isn't necessary for payment. When you're happy with the wording and formatting, click Save. Your changes are now stored in this template. Any new invoices created with this template will display your bank details automatically. If you use multiple templates, repeat these edits for each one you actively send to customers. That's it. You've added bank details to your Xero invoice template, making it simpler for customers to pay you on time. If your invoices don't show the update, make sure the invoice is using the edited template and that you saved the changes successfully. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.